am Eva Panda, and I have something for you. Yeah, guess what? Oh, I had a... Oops. Oops. Yeah, it's a pillow. Yeah. What is the use of a pillow? Yeah, you're right. For you to sleep well. Yay! Do you have pillow? What is the color of your pillow? Please comment. Let's spell pillow. P I L N O W. Yeah, you got it right. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.